start that again. We got some brothers with the repeat. They're already on winter break, I'm sorry. There we go. Sing it that, my girls. Go hit it one more time. By the way, that's Swahili. This is a South African freedom song. We'll sing it in English and then we'll hit it for you when you get in Swahili. Where's my friend who plays the conga drums? I think that's what it needs. It needs some conga. All right. There you go. We are marching. 1, 2, let's go. We are marching.